As discussed in one of our other goals, Goal 6 would also be related to environmental rating scales and increasing the scores. For this goal, the average scores in the area of interaction and language and reasonings was 4.48, and our goal is to increase these scores to a 5.5 or higher. Some of the strategies that we'll use would be providing teachers with handouts and other written resources that explain and give examples on enriching interactions with preschoolers. We would also use the tools of language and reasoning, activities for preschoolers, and also infant, toddler, pre-K, and school-age class suggested activities. We would also provide professional development opportunities through our local Partnership for Children to learn new skills and techniques to create positive interactions with children that promote growth and learning. And of course, we'd also be using ongoing observation and feedback to our teachers.